Hi guys, welcome to another NPower training video. In a previous video, you were taught or shown how to install an e-commerce theme, and we installed this particular theme called OStore and activated it. In this video, we are going to show you how to install first all the recommended plugins that are supposed to make this e-commerce site function very well, and every other plugin that is needed to make the beauty of the e-commerce website come alive. So if you look at the top of your page here, it says this theme recommends the following plugins: Elementor, one-click demo import, WooCommerce, WooCommerce grid list toggle, YITH compare, YITH quick view, YITH wishlist. You see, you are supposed to first install all these recommended plugins before you do your demo import. Okay, so I want us to begin from the first one. So this button here tells you begin installing plugins. Okay, so by clicking this, the installation process begins. So for Elementor, I'm going to hit install. So the Elementor plugin is installing. Let's wait for it. Good. All right, so this is done, and then we go back to install the others. So this is one-click demo import. We'll install that as well, and we wait for it to finish. Okay, this is done, and then we go back and install WooCommerce. So WooCommerce is installing. The time it takes for this plugin to install depends on the size of the plugin. So some plugins take longer than the other. So WooCommerce plugin installation is done. We go back. Okay, then for grid and list toggle, we install that also. That's very fast. You go back. For YITH compare, I guess the size of this is larger than the previous one. Okay, so it's done. So we go back to install more plugins, more recommended plugins, and then this is quick view. We install that as well, and then we are left with one more. Okay, so that is done. We go back and install the last one, which is the wish list. So we install that. Okay, so we go back. As you can see, we are done installing everything. So the next thing for us to do now is to look for other plugins we are meant to install, and we are supposed to install WP Super Cake. We're supposed to install WP Form, OptiMonster, Yoast SEO, WhatsApp Chat, and WhatsApp. Okay, so all these recommended plugins we just finished installing, this is where to find them. Okay, this is where to find them. Everything is listed here. So I'm just going to add the remaining ones before we begin to show you the activation video. Okay, so we're gonna hit the add new button, and then the first one we want to have is WP Super Cache. Okay, so this is it. We're gonna install that. Okay, so it's going to be listed on our plugins list. Then we move on to the other one. We're going to do WP form or contact form. This is it. Let's just use this. Okay, then we're going to look for, while that is installing, we're going to look for, let me be very sure. Okay, let me be very sure. The last one, okay, it's done. So we're going to look for Optin Monster. Okay, so this is Optin Monster. Then we are going to, okay, so we are going to look for Yoast SEO. Yoast SEO. So this is Yoast SEO installing, and we are now going to install WhatsApp chat. Okay, so Yoast SEO is done installing. So let's do WhatsApp chat. Okay, so this is WhatsApp chat. I'm gonna install that also. Okay, that is done. So we're now going to do WhatsApp. WhatsApp is similar to WhatsApp. Okay. Okay, what's happening? Or am I not typing it well? Okay, sorry, it's supposed to be WhatsApp. It's supposed to be WhatsApp. Yeah, it's supposed to be WhatsApp. Yeah, good. Yeah, it's supposed to be WhatsApp. Okay, let's change this. Yeah, it's supposed to be WhatsApp. Okay. So this is the install now button. Good. So we are done with installing all the plugins we are supposed to have to make the e-commerce website function very, very well. With this, we have come to the end of this video. See you in another video.